Guys, my name is Owen Lubinda and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For the old subscribers, thank you for staying with me for the past year. I know I've not been active. I haven't done any review. I've been slightly busy with school and everything. We have another pyramid scheme. I'm sure for the past videos that I've had, you've known what a pyramid scheme is and how they operate. The best example that I can give you is Go Leica and the current one, which is performing now. I feel to say it's now time for you guys to withdraw your money in Xtrashop, because already the site is already down. So it simply means that for those who like withdrew, entered the pyramid scheme faster and came out earlier, they've made their money and they're out. So there's a new one. It's called Xtrashop. It's new. Trust me, it's new, and it currently work for like a month or so. So the earlier you jump into this thing, the better. You make money, you come out. Don't hold your money for several months. You will lose your money. Invest for like 100, 200, and come out. Before we go any further, please subscribe, hit the post notification bell for you guys to receive the best content like this, so that you can become one of the first to be on top of that pyramid. So without wasting any of your time, let's jump into this video right now. Let's sign in and see how this platform is. I haven't really signed in. I haven't checked it out. This is my first review, and we're going to see how it actually works. So first and foremost, let's put in, as you know, my Gmail or my email, which is owenrango@gmail.com, and let's input. Let's put in. No, let's just create. Click on create. Full names. Owen Lubinda, email. Okay, Owen Rango. Sorry if I'm too quick, but I'm sure you know this. When you just have to punch in the numbers that you write to prove to say you're not a computer, and then password. Okay. So that's the password. After inputting your password, right now we're creating the same account, then register. Okay, it's now up for this same thing. So let's just go back. We click on already have account. Okay, this is very weird. I'm already in right now, so all you have to do is just go back, refresh the page, and then you'll be in. So I'm in the application right here. We have the investment option, and we have the trades option. Okay, apparently there's also Bitcoin here, and we have the dashboard option.